Hey, this is Arohi, and I am the YouTube content creator for the Hub Bangalore. The past couple of months have just gone by on working to bring some great content for you guys on our YouTube channel. Thus, here we are, finally, with the first video of our series where I'm going to take you to a journey very, very close to the Hub and the people who make the Hub what it is. The Hub is a community living space located in the heart of Bangalore, and we usually like to accept the coolest, quirkiest, and a couple of lucky people in the crowd who get to be a part of our community. But apart from that, and apart from having co living in co working spaces, we have focused a lot on building our digital community. In the past, we worked with brands like Bumble, Red Bull, White Owl, Coco Cart, and so many more. We've got creators, startup founders, actors, authors on our platforms to share their story and their journey with you, only so that you could learn from it and carve your own story better. We've tried all possible ways to bridge the gap between our audience and the brands and creators that associate with us. So, we thought it's high time to introduce you to the people who strive day and night to make our digital community bigger and better. Well, trust me, these people have aced the art of finding and creating a humongous engagement between audience and our collaborators. So, let's get started and see who these great souls are. And how they have done all of this is what you'll get to know after you see this video.
I do a lot of things, but the thing that I have the most fun working on is coming up with new ideas and challenging my team to think out of the box.
So I'm the chief storyteller for the Hub, and my job is to create stories and convert them into visual content for people to consume, save, like, and share.
Hi, my name is Nahla and I handle creatives at the Hub.
I'm Sam and I handle content and collaborations for the Hub.
I'm the community manager at the Hub, and sales and client relations are my forte. I also curate and execute fun events for our community members, and to know more, follow us on Instagram.
I think I can do it better than anyone else. I'm not saying that out. Okay. Okay, I'll just jump to the answer. Because I'm not afraid to fail.
I've seen so much change over the years, and I feel that one of my biggest strengths here is to be adaptable. From donning hats of being the storyteller to like managing events, creating both video content as well as photos, bringing in Instagram stories, Facebook, LinkedIn. I've been there, done it all. So I think for someone to be in a role like this, they should be ready to take up challenges on the fly.
Nobody can do it better than me because I don't just do my job. I love my job.
I think I bring on a new and fresh perspective that, combined with my creativity, hard work and finesse, I'm a hard one to beat.
I believe nobody else can do it better than me because I've always been an extrovert, and for a community like the Hub, it's very important to be a social being out there, communicating, engaging people, and that's my strength, and that comes very naturally to me. So yeah, I just feel I fit in the community well. So
For being completely indecisive about the smallest decisions.
One reason why I would fire myself for would be, I think, because I keep boasting about all my tech and gadgets and always beating Azan to the latest iPhones.
I would fire myself because I'm not a multitasker. I cannot do two things at the same time. I have to finish one completely and then start a new one.
Well, if I had to fire myself for one reason, it might have to be for having too much fun at work.
So I've never been a morning person, and I'm still not. So being on time is very challenging for me, honestly. I still try coming on time like really hard and still get exempted sometimes, but not taking advantage of it. I mean, I know I'm guilty for it, but yeah, I think for being late most of the time.
I think I'm lucky enough to have many first memorable experiences here at the Hub, but my favorite recurring one is the first day when one of our teammates joins our family.
So I think one of my most favorite memories about this place is I remember even before I officially joined the company, I met Azan a day before I joined, and I closed a co-working deal, which I think I don't even know how to place it, but then I remember even before I started working, I closed a deal, and I think that ship has sailed for quite some time and it's still sailing strong.
The most memorable experience for me at the Hub is whenever we have an event, because it's all Indian music and Indian style. So for me as a foreigner, it's all new memorable experiences.
My most memorable experience has been working on the NBs 2020, which was the non-binary awards, and meeting the entire team for the first time at the Safe and Sound party. That was super fun.
I don't know if this is memorable or the scariest memory of me being in the Hub, but I was honestly this close of being bitten by Zuzu, and that's just been a nightmare for me. Yeah.
Thank you so much, guys, for sticking with us and watching our video. As stated enough by now, we're a bunch of creators who love to collaborate with local brands and help them discover other local creators. So, if you're a content creator or you have a brand and you feel that you want to associate with us, do not hesitate to message us on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, basically wherever you want to, because we will definitely get back to you. Also, help us to make our mission to make the power of collaboration bigger and always growing. Follow us on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and of course, stay tuned to our YouTube channel. The drill is simple. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share this video with the world, and there you are, all set to be a part of our quirky community. This is Arohi Sharma, the YouTube creator of the Hub Bangalore, signing off until next time. Stay safe, stay happy.